Are you standing on the edge of the course creation cliff, ready to jump, but you're worried you might just belly flop? Fear not. We're about to introduce you to the safety net of pre-selling, a strategy that's like a crystal ball and a piggy bank rolled into one. It lets you peek into the future to validate your course idea and even fills up your bank account before you start creating your course content. So let's dive in. I'm Aaron from Thinkific, the best tool to help you start and grow your online education business. And in this video, we'll cover the best practices for pre-selling your online course. We'll also give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Thinkific to make pre-selling as smooth as possible. If this video feels helpful, make sure to like it so that others can find it, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Okay, first, let's dive into the best practices for pre-selling your online course. So pre-selling is a powerful strategy that allows you to validate that your course idea will sell to your intended audience. Pre-selling will help you build confidence in your decision to invest time and money into producing a course. It can also generate a significant amount of startup funding, keep you accountable to your customers and yourself, and get you those crucial initial testimonials and feedback from eager early adopters. Here's how we recommend doing it. First, start by coming up with a compelling title for your course. Your title should be clear, concise, and communicate the value or the transformation that your course offers. For example, instead of photography course, you might choose Master the Art of Landscape Photography. Next, outline the content you intend to include in your course. This doesn't have to be a detailed lesson-by-lesson breakdown, but it should give potential students a clear idea of what they'll eventually learn. This could include the main topics you'll cover, the skills they gain, and the outcomes that they can expect. You could also note some bonuses or features of the student experience that you plan to add. Things like checklists and other downloadables, a complimentary student community space, coaching calls, completion certificates, or feedback on assignments tend to pop here. The most important step here is to have a specific sales goal in mind before launching your pre-sale. Your sales goal should be a number that would justify the time and effort you'll invest in creating this course. This could be a certain number of sales or a specific revenue target. If you aren't able to acquire enough customers to meet your sales goal, don't be disheartened. This is valuable market feedback. It might mean that there isn't enough interest in your course topic, or it could indicate that you need to adjust your marketing strategy or course offering. If this happens, you can refund any purchases and just explain that there wasn't enough interest in the course to justify creating it. This transparency will help maintain trust with your audience and keep the door open for future course offerings. If you've got your pre-sale target in mind, and once you have your course title and outline, it's time to present your course idea to your target audience. This is where marketing comes into play. Use your existing marketing channels such as your email list, social media platforms, or blog to announce your upcoming course. You can also consider hosting a webinar or live Q&A session to generate some buzz and answer any questions your audience might have. Typically, pre-sale marketing happens over a specific period of time leading up to the official launch of the course. It's important to figure out a date by which your course will start and communicate that in your marketing. Pair this timeline with a disappearing discount on the pre-sale price, and the urgency to buy increases. Now let's move on to how you can pre-sell your online course using Thinkific. If you don't have a Thinkific account, if you don't have a Thinkific account yet, you can get started for free by going to thinkific.com and signing up. Thinkific's pre-order feature allows you to sell your course without giving students access to the content until you're ready. To pre-sell your course on Thinkific, you'll need to create a new online course, customize your course card, set your course to pre-order status, and then customize your sales page. Creating a new course on Thinkific is simple. Just go to Manage Learning Content, select Courses, select New Course, and then name your course. After creating a course, you'll arrive in the Course Builder on the Curriculum tab. Since we're pre-selling, we don't need to worry about adding chapters or lessons, setting up a drip schedule, or customizing any of those course progress settings. Focus instead on optimizing this course for sharing. Customizing your course card is an important step in getting your course share ready. Visitors may see the card on your Thinkific website's pages, and it features a pre-order label to distinguish it from other courses. When shared on social media, it also fills in the link preview image and the description where your course name is the title. You can use tools like Canva to create a branded graphic design for your course card, or you can find a great free stock photo on Unsplash or Pexels. The last step before publishing is pricing the presale course. Go to the Pricing tab and set up your primary price point. Then save. You can change this price later once your presale discount ends. Setting your course to pre-order status is just as easy as flipping a switch. Just go to the Publish tab in the Course Builder, select Pre-order, and then save. This makes your course visible on your Thinkific website, so do this last step if you are already getting traffic to your website. Finally, you'll want to customize your course's landing page. You might also call this the sales page. When you create a course, you get a basic landing page automatically for the course. After setting the course to pre-order, a button will appear in your default banner on the page that is already connected to your course's checkout. From here, visitors to this page can now pre-purchase the course. However, you may want to customize this page to make a bigger splash with your presale launch. Use compelling copy, engaging visuals, and clear calls to action to convince your visitors to pre-order your course. We're going to have a whole video on that on our channel, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Once you're done here, you're ready to spread the word about your presale. You can find the link to your course's sales page in the Settings tab of your Course Builder. If you have a sales page somewhere else other than your Thinkific website, you can also go to the Pricing tab to copy the link directly to your Thinkific checkout. You can use this link on the Buy buttons on your external sales page. Pre-selling your online course is a powerful strategy that can help you validate your course idea, generate startup funding, and get that crucial initial feedback from your audience. By using Thinkific, you can easily pre-sell your course and ensure its success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tips and tutorials.